Hello. So, text from New York. I just got a notification saying, do your part, stay home. Visit the ER, only if you're severely ill. Well, welcome to my quarantine. I may have the virus. It's fine. Yeah, so I will be here for 2 weeks, and I've been thinking I should make some more DIY videos for all my 4 fans out there. And what perfect time to do it than when you're quarantined because you're coughing and you got a fever. So let's see, I don't even know what supplies I have here. I'm not allowed to leave. So I think I have stuff that you can use to make hand sanitizer. Let's just go for it. So to make some hand sanitizer, you need at least 70% alcohol. I'm gonna be crazy and use 91% because health is important. And you also need aloe vera gel. Kind of smells weird, not gonna lie. The recipe I'm using also recommends vitamin E oil, or they also say vegetable glycerin, which I have over there, but I figured vitamin E sounds kind of fun. Vitamins, yay. And then you're gonna need some sort of measuring thing, a bowl, and usually if you're using essential oils, you want to use like a glass container, but because this is like a gel kind of thing, you're going to use this squeezy thing, and especially since no one's traveling anywhere anytime soon, we can use these little use these little travel shampoo things, and yeah, stay healthy. So it recommends that you use melaleuca, which is tea tree oil, and lavender. I've run out of melaleuca except for this one that's diluted with coconut oil, so we're going to be using this one, which is a blend of oils that's supposed to be like very good to keep you healthy. So let's put them all together, and yeah, that's it. So you wanna, no, cat hair. So you wanna keep mixing it. TBH, this aloe vera gel might be expired, so I don't know if I'll be using this, but it's still the basic idea, and yeah. This looks pretty gross. When does it go bad by? It's gluten-free. It says we're good till April of this year, so maybe it just looks like vomit. I'm just gonna keep mixing it, mixing. I don't have high hopes for this. I mean, it's a lot of alcohol, so it's definitely gonna like, well, let's just put it in this little container. Honestly, I'm gonna say this is a fail because that looks like something from the depths of a sewer. Let's just, I mean, I've already committed at this point, so just gonna, amazing. Let me like a, yay. This is now why I realized, wow, that alcohol is strong. This is probably why I have the virus. So, stay safe, and maybe I'll make some more DIY videos.